Today I'm going to show you how you can change your SoundCloud username on Android, although this will also work if you're trying to change it on iPhone as well. If this video does help you out, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So we'll just jump into it really. You can't actually change it in the SoundCloud app. For some reason they don't let you change your profile picture or your name inside the app. So what you need to do is you need to come to a web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but you can use Safari or just whatever web browser really. And you want to obviously go to the SoundCloud website. Now when you're here, you're going to find that it's going to log you in to the mobile website. So what you need to do is you actually need to go into settings and you need to change it to a desktop site. Now it's going to be different depending on what web browser you do this on. So if you're using Chrome, you can do it like that, but if you're using Safari or any other web browser, it's going to be different. Then you can go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon and then clicking profile. And then once we're there, we can then scroll to the right and you want to zoom in here. You want to click on the edit button. And then once you're on the edit button, you can change your profile picture. You can also change your display name, otherwise known as your username. And you can also change as well the profile URL. So that's pretty much all you do. You go and edit that, then you click on save changes. Then it's going to be saved throughout SoundCloud. You can just go and log out of your account here. And that's all you have to do. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.